Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to find the SWIFT code of the BRAC bank. So the SWIFT code is really important to send and receive the international payments safely. So in order to find it, first of all you need to come here on the bracbank.com. So once you are here, use the search bar on the top. Over here in the search bar you need to search for SWIFT code. So once you search for the SWIFT code, it is going to take some time and show you the results. If you find any of the results over here, it is well and good. But if you are not able to find it over here, it simply means that you need to just get another route. So here you need to come here on this website, which is bank.codes/swift code search. Over here you will have to first of all select your country, which in our case is Bangladesh. After that, you will have to select the name of your bank, which in our case is the BRAC bank. After selecting it, you just have to select your city and it is going to show you the SWIFT codes. Now you can use these SWIFT codes in order to make the payments. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.